Welcome, today I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch into a Xiaomi 12 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find additional settings. Here choose Gangster Shortcuts option, and now for example I want to activate Launch Camera option, so go into this and activate Quick Launch, this double press to power key, and another option double press to volume down when the screen is locked. Activate these two options and let's try. Double press to our power key, and how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.